Perkins doing his best.
It's dangerous up here.
Both of them in a precarious position. Oh! Plex!
That's gotta be it. That's gotta be it.
Connects here for the championship. Cena rolls through. No way. To his shoulders. He got it.
Locked and loaded, went for the Superman punch. Rollins, though, sends him in.
Able to kick out. Twist of fate by Jeff Hardy.
By Ali to the face.
Orton on spaghetti legs once again.
Ali rolling. RKO from out of nowhere. A double spear. Strowman's down.
Cena got him on here.
He's flying. Wait for the leg drop.
Oh, God. If you do this, there's no turning back. No.
Oh, what the hell's... Oh, wait a minute. This does not bode well for Joey Mercury.
You think? Whoa.
Oh, look at this. Out to the apron. Oh, my goodness. Are you kidding me?
Suplex. Spot move.
Davis wanting Dynamite to get on the apron. He can't. Jimmy Hart hit him with a mega